Well, it's time to get another check of the roads.
News 13's Kimberly Allison joins us in the on-time traffic center. Kimberly?
The DOT started construction on a road this afternoon in Haywood County. Cove Creek Road is closed near Maggie Valley from now until March 8th. And taking a look in Asheville, there's an accident that just happened on Biltmore Avenue at Hilliard. Traffic is moving along slow in both directions in that area. Expect to go about 10 to 15 miles per hour between Eagle and Charlotte Street. That's a look at your on-time traffic, brought to you by Carolina Furniture Concepts.
News 13's Kimberly Allison has your afternoon traffic report.
The Asheville Police Department is still on the scene of a wreck near Wicked Weed Brewing downtown. The accident is at the 85 block of Biltmore Avenue near Hilliard. Now I'm being told there were injuries involved. A wrecker is on the way right now to clear the roadway. And we're seeing some stop-and-go traffic on US 25 between Airport Road and Long Shoals Road. That's a look at your on-time traffic, brought to you by Carolina Furniture Concepts.
Time now to get a check on the roads.
News 13's Kimberly Allison joins us in the on-time traffic center. Kimberly?
Officials have reopened an intersection in Woodfin that was closed earlier this afternoon. Riverside Drive at Broadway Street is back open to traffic near UNCA. Earlier today, a dump truck slammed into a power pole and knocked down the traffic lights. You're good to go if you're headed that way. And a car ran into a telephone pole on Klingman Avenue at Hilliard Avenue. That's right near Aston Park. We're told that there were injuries involved. And in Rutherford County, there's an accident with injuries just south of Forest City on 74 near Bostic Road. That's a look at your on-time traffic, brought to you by Carolina Furniture Concepts.